Leadership is not inherited. Leadership is nurtured. We want our young people to take their rightful place in society, in all spheres, in political leadership, in leadership in the financial sector, in leadership in our industries, in leadership in our social organizations. The youth of this country, including the students of this great university, must take their rightful place in leadership. And nobody will come for you from your mother's house to make you a leader. Nobody will come for you and say, oh, the daughters of so-and-so, please come and be our leader. Oh, the son of so-and-so, please come and lead this organization. No. It is yourself will go out there and find your place in an organization of your choice and fight through and work hard and lead that organization. I've come this afternoon to tell you that the future of this great country is in your hands, and this country depends on you to take your rightful role in leadership. And I've come here to encourage you that it is possible. And I will be giving you my journey so that you know, even yourself seated here, one day you can stand here as Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. The President and I have agreed that we need to do a little bit more in mentorship. It was our desire to mentor our young leaders who are elected. But we decided that is not enough. Kenya is too huge. There are too many young people with potential for leadership. And if we just concentrate on mentoring the elected leaders, we miss a point. I have today begun here in Murang'a University a long journey across our institutions of higher learning in the entire country to try to attempt to mentor our young people to become the leaders of this country.